Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Mate 40 series. Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro. First, let's look at our design. Every generation of Huawei Mate 40 series, they have an iconic symmetrical design. 2 years ago, the Huawei Mate 40 series, the camera array is very iconic. This is last year's, the Mate 30 series, the halo ring design. This is today's Mate 40 series. We call it the space ring design. This camera, iconic, symmetric. And we bring the elegance of 88-degree curvature on this phone. Very large curvature. And today, on Mate 40 series, we reserve physical volume button. But also, we have a virtual key to control the volume. No matter left hand or right hand, you can control it the way you like. We're all using dual stereo speaker. And more importantly, this speaker have the best bass stereo. 150% stronger bass. When you listening the music, when you play the mobile gaming, or when you make a phone call, hand-free conference call, you always can achieve the best stereo experience, the best audio experience. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro and Pro Plus is IP68 rated. Actually, we are doing better than this. The Mate 40 are IP53 rated. The Mate 40 is a 6.5-inch flex OLED, have a very high saturation, high contrast ratio. And also you have an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and even one small camera hole, but it supports attention-aware technologies. And also, its refresh rate is 90 Hz. The 90 Hz refresh rate brings you smooth operation when you're using the phone. It's much better than 60 Hz. It's very easy for us to provide 120 Hz, but higher refresh rate means higher power consumption. So the 90 Hz is the best balance between the power consumption, long battery life, and the smooth operation. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro is a more larger screen. This screen is 6.76 inch flex OLED with more higher resolution, and its dual front camera. It supports 3D face unlock with attention-aware technologies, and also with in-screen fingerprint. Also, 90 Hz refresh rate brings you really smooth operation. And this large screen is very compact. It's 6.76 inch, but much narrower than the other phone. In your hand, it's comfortable, and it's much narrower. And with this curvature, the front and the back, the curvature, it brings you really comfortable hold. Every generation our Huawei flagship will bring the innovation of the color. Today we bring a color, a mysterious color. This is Mystic Silver. This Mystic Silver is very unique. You can see from different light environment and different angle, you see this different color. So it's not just one color, it's very unique. And we have classical black color, premium, and classic white, elegant. And also we provide the vegan laser washing. The vegan laser, from last year, the Mate 30 series, we have this vegan laser soft to touch and more durable. And we provide 2 colors for your selection, yellow and green, this vegan laser. And also we bring the nanotech ceramic technology. And from this year's the P40 Pro Plus, we're using this. The consumers really love it. It brings you diamond-like shining and sapphire-like toughness. On Mate 40 Pro Plus, we have 2 colors for your selection, ceramic white and ceramic black. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our design of Huawei Mate 40 series. Inside this phone is the world's most powerful Kirin 9000 chip, the most powerful ever. It's 5 nanometer. Not only 5 nanometer, it's also world's first 5 nanometer 5G SoC. 15.3 billion transistors on it. 30% more transistors than A14. The most sophisticated 5G SoC chipset, most powerful. Inside this, the fastest octa-core CPU, 10% faster than other flagship chipset. But more importantly, the GPU, 24-core GPU, 52% faster than the other flagship chipset. Today, the GPU even more important than CPU, because most of the mobile gaming, they are mainly using GPU performance. And also, more importantly, we bring the energy efficiency, the low power consumption. That's the key. Long battery life. So the CPU, the NPU, and the GPU, the power efficiency is much higher than the other chipset. After 18 months, you're using the Huawei flagship phones, you still have a smooth experience. Today, we upgrade the technology to 36 months. Four years ago, and we have the slogan, is born fast, stay fast. Today, after 36 months, the phone's speed only reduced by 2.5%. And also we bring you long-lasting 5G battery. Mate 40 Pro have 4,400 mAh battery inside. We have much longer battery life compared with other flagship phone, with our low power consumption and our powerful processor technology inside. And the Mate 40, 4,200 mAh battery. Both of them have a large battery, long battery life. Today, Mate 40 series, we upgrade to 66 watt, the fastest supercharger on flagship smartphone. The 66 watt is the best balance of the battery density and make the phone slim and also with fast charging. And on Mate 40 Pro and Pro Plus, we upgraded to 50 watt super fast wireless charge. This is the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. And the main camera lens, all using super sensing wide angle 50 megapixel, a large sensor. The Mate 40 have 3 times telephoto and support 5 times optical zoom range. And Mate 40 Pro have ultra wide angle scene camera, the most powerful scene camera, help you to take the best video. This is the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus. The Mate 40 Pro Plus have the amazing 10 times periscope telephoto. It can maximum support 17 times optical zoom range, the most powerful camera technology in the world. Inside this Mate 40 series, we have the world's largest sensor in smartphone. You can see compared with other sensor, it's much bigger. And you see our comparison of our 50 megapixel compared with the other 108 megapixel. We have better color, better detail. Our single shot in a low light environment is much better than the other phone's single shot, you can see. It's unbelievable. Our single shot even better than the other phone's night mode. We bring the industry's best 10 times optical zoom. The front and the back both have the ultra wide angle. And as a sensor for the wide angle, both the rear camera and the front camera all have the large sensor and the large pixel. In the wide angle, in the low light, you can see that our taking is much better than the other. With ultra wide angle, you can take the vivid color and the detail. With ultra wide angle, you can take the decisive moment. And even in the evening, with ultra wide angle, you can take mystic night. The front ultra wide angle, when you take a selfie, it's more wider and also more smarter. Intelligent field of view. When more people come in, they can use a more wide angle. So it help you to see more, and the selfie to take more people with this ultra wide angle. Ladies and gentlemen, the price for Mate 40, €899. Mate 40 Pro, €1,199. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus, the price is €1,399. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Mate 40 series with our leading design, performance, for mobile photography, and user experience. Leap further ahead.